his room is green, and one for Annie Kate's room. You sure?
Just where it was needed.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be full of cleaning motivation, and I'm going to be pulling out all of my spring decor from the garage. We're going to be just trying to get as much done as we can. I wanted to start spring decorating today, but my house is so messy, so of course we're going to have to clean it first. So I think we're mostly going to be cleaning today, but I wanted to pull out the spring decor and see what we have. And then I've also already done some spring shopping, so I'm going to share what I've picked up, and we may do a little bit more today. I'm going to run to Walmart with the kids in just a second and get some groceries, and I want to check out their spring decor. So we're in the bathroom getting ready. I'm almost ready, but I wanted to stop and share my favorite deodorant with y'all. It is the Lumi deodorant. It's a whole body deodorant, so you can literally use it on any part of your body, which I love. After having baby Annie Kate, I have the worst postpartum sweats, and I don't remember having that with baby Oliver. They say girls take your beauty, and I'm pretty sure that's what happened with Annie Kate, because I'm having so much postpartum hair loss, and I have to just keep the deodorant on. So I love Lumi so much. I used to use their tangerine scent and loved it. I've used it for years. They sent over their toasted coconut though. Y'all, this is my new favorite. It smells so good. It's perfect for spring and summer. It smells like the beach. So this is my new favorite, the toasted coconut. She's being so snuggly right now. This is the smooth solid deodorant. This is the one that I use the most. So I'm excited to use the toasted coconut. They also sent over their acidified deodorant wipes. These are perfect if you're going to the gym and you just need to throw them in your bag so you can wipe yourself down afterwards. That's perfect. So love that. And these are the cool cucumber scent. I bet that smells so good. And then this right here is their whole body deodorant. It's the invisible spray. I've used that before and love it. If you're a spray deodorant person, you will absolutely love this. This is the soft powder. They also sent over their acidified body wash. It keeps the odor away all day long. And then this is the whole body deodorant. It's the invisible cream. And I'm going to show y'all how this works real quick. This was created by an OBGYN named Shannon Klingman. And let me just say, I have so much to thank her for. Lumi is clinically proven to block body odor all day and continues controlling BO for 72 hours. Lumi comes in 8 different scents, so you can get on their website, scroll through, see which one suits you best. Definitely give it a try. The thing I love most about Lumi deodorant is it stops the odor before it even starts. Lumi Starter Pack Bundle is a great deal for new customers. It comes with a full-size stick deodorant, a cream deodorant tube or spray deodorant, 2 free products like the wipes or the mini body wash, free US shipping, and just for my followers, Lumi is offering an extra $5 off when you click the link in the description below and enter code LaurenY at checkout. That's a deal of over 40% off. Y'all definitely go check them out. Thank you so much to Lumi for sponsoring today's video. Okay, me, Oliver, and Annie Kate just got back from Walmart. We did a Walmart trip this morning instead of having it delivered or doing pickup because I just needed a couple things, and then I also wanted to look at their spring decor, and we ended up wrapping around the whole store and looking at everything, and it was so much fun. I haven't done that in so long. So I'm going to share what we got. It's kind of a random little grocery haul, but we got some fun little things for spring and Easter. And then I'm going to put all this away and we'll get busy. Okay, we'll start on the fun side over here. I ran into these cute little bunnies. I've been seeing these all over Instagram. Very cute, 10 bucks. And I got one for Oliver's room. His room is green, and one for Annie Kate's room. Of course, her room is pink. So those are so cute and fun for Easter. And then I hit up the baby clothes because I needed to get Annie Kate some staples for summer. I got her some at Target the other day too, but anytime I see something cute, I just like to grab it because you can never have enough baby clothes. They go through like 10 pairs a day, I feel like. So we found this cute little strawberry shirt. Walmart has upped their game since I was a kid. They've got this cute little fuzzy strawberry, and then I just thought these little ruffle shorts were so cute. And yes, can y'all believe Annie Kate is like in a size 18 months? She's actually in like 12 right now, but she's growing out of 12 very quickly. So we got her those for spring and summer, and then I just thought this little butterfly dress was so cute. We could put some bloomers under it, and that'll be a cute little dress to play in the backyard or whatever we're gonna do. So very fun, cute little spring clothing haul for Annie Kate. I didn't find anything for Oliver. But anyways, we needed some household gloves. We were gonna be doing lots of cleaning today, so we had to pick some of those up. Oliver requested a watermelon, and he is begging right now. He wants that right now. Our electricity just went out. That was weird. Okay, anyways. Are you turning out the light?
Yes.
Oh. I thought our electricity went out. Hold on, turn it back on for just a second, okay? Oliver wanted watermelon. We got some Honeycrisp apples. We love those. We also got one Cosmic because y'all said that those are better. We've tried them before and we liked them, but I still think I like Honeycrisp better. But I'm gonna give it another try. Picked up some avocados for avocado toast. I decided to try this because I haven't been happy with any creamers lately. I kind of just like a basic one, and this is real milk and cream, so I figured that would be good. Picked up a thing of wipes. That's got like 3 packs in it, I think. Got some more ranch. I need to figure out what ranch is good. I always just get the Great Value, and I know some people are very picky about ranch, so I need all the ranch connoisseurs to comment down below what's the best ranch, because I'm not going to mix it myself. We've got some butter sticks. We're going to be doing a little bit of Easter baking, just simple baking. Oliver has been loving oranges lately, so we picked those up. We're going to do breakfast for dinner one night this week, and these are the best little sausages. They're already fully cooked. You just heat them up. Oliver loves these things. We got some strawberry Danimals, and then we saw this and thought it looked fun. We were going to get stuff to make some Lucky Charms cookies for St. Patrick's Day, but then we decided to do this instead. So we got some Funfetti cupcakes. Look at these cute little Peep cupcake holders. And then some Peeps vanilla frosting. Oliver is playing with the lights again, sorry. Leave this light on, okay, bud? We got some soups. Oliver decided to just start throwing up yesterday. It was so random. And then he threw up one time last night, and he hasn't since. But I figured I'd pick up some soups just in case we want to have like grilled cheese and soup. We've got some creamy chicken and dumplings, and then this one is chicken corn chowder. I like soup anyway, so we'll have that with grilled cheese one day. And then these are the little sprinkles, some little Easter sprinkles for our cupcakes. I thought those little balls were really cute. This is not focusing very well. That goes with the cupcakes. And then Oliver needed some more paint. This kid is going to paint me out of house and home. He loves to paint. Got some more paint brushes. He loves these. My voice cracked, sorry. He loves these little chicken and a biscuit crackers. So we got some more of those. I'm about to make him a little snack plate. He's going to get a watermelon, some chicken and a biscuit crackers, a Danimals, and that's going to be his little lunch for the day. He's going to go play in the backyard while I get some cleaning done. We've got some Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I'm going to stock that up. And then we've got some iced coffee. I was on a kick of iced coffee for like a year and a half, and then I didn't want it at all. And now I'm back on it. I think it's because the weather is warming up, and I'm like, okay, I'm ready. Today the weather is 70 degrees. It's gorgeous outside. We picked up this snake. It was on the clearance at the front for 75 cents, and Oliver wants to scare Will with that. So that's going to be fun. We got some eggs and some sugar for baking. We've got some bananas. And then, of course, a jug of milk. So I'm going to go ahead and put all this away, and then we've got to get busy. Check. Looks so good. My house was clearly destroyed. We have all taken turns being sick this week, and it was a really bad like stomach bug flu situation, and so we really let the house go. So today we are getting it all back in order, and like I said, I really wanted to start decorating for spring, but we obviously can't do that with our house in this state. So we're going to open up the blinds, let some sunshine in, play some good music, and get this place cleaned up. And then tomorrow, the day after this, we're going to go out to the garage and pull out all of the spring decor and get everything set up to start decorating pretty soon. I also want to go back to the store and see if I can find some more spring decor. So we may do a spring shop with me. I've already done a little bit of that, but I didn't get enough footage for a whole video. So we'll see if we end up doing that. Stay tuned. We've got lots more videos coming in March though. Some spring decor shopping, spring decorating. We're going to be doing a whole house clean because I haven't done that in a while, and our house could really use a whole house deep clean. So I'm excited to get that taken care of, and probably several other videos in March. There's going to be at least one video a week, and then some weeks there will be 2 videos a week for the rest of this month, as long as we stay well. That stomach flu was no joke. We were all so sick. We haven't been that sick in so long, so very glad to put that behind us. Annie Kate never got it, so I'm hoping she doesn't get it. We'll see. But anyways, praying she never gets it. Oliver got a hold of the powdered donuts and got the little powder all over this cushion, so we're just going to take a warm rag and brush it right off. It came right up, so it was no big deal, but we're going to have a new rule with no food on this new couch because he was so used to just being able to drag his snacks in the living room, and now we have a new couch, and I want to keep it nice as long as possible. So anyways, let's get this living room back in order. Having this ottoman here has been so handy. I've been keeping Annie Kate's toys in here, stuff that she can play with right here in the floor in the living room, and I've been trying to keep it cleaned out periodically so that it doesn't just get a bunch of random things going on. So it's just specifically little toys that she can sit here and play with, and the rest we take back to their bedrooms. On the other side of the living room, we had a lot going on. We did a diaper change, we had toys pulled out. Oliver uses this little trash that you're seeing all over the floor for his trash truck. He tears apart paper towels and makes little fake trash for his trash truck. So that's what that was. And then right next to the front door, we had shoes and belts. We came in from the rodeo this past weekend, and that's when Oliver got sick. And this was like not an ordinary stomach bug. It was awful. So we just hadn't got around to picking some of that stuff up. So that's what we're going to do today and get this living room all reset. Oliver was playing in his room, and then he saw me cleaning up in here, and he came in here and he goes, "Ooh, can I help you?" He loves to help me clean, so I said absolutely. I put him to work cleaning up this paint. He used to paint in the kitchen, but now that we have this new couch, he can't see over it while he's sitting in the kitchen, so I decided to just bring it in here while he paints so he can watch his show and paint, and then we're going to move it back to the kitchen. I love this little table. It's just from Costway because I can move it around really easy. It's super light, and it has 2 little chairs that go with it. But anyways, we're going to move that back into the kitchen after we get it all cleaned up. We're going to finish cleaning up the toys in here, and we almost have the living room reset. And there is Oliver cleaning up the last block. We finally got all of that cleaned up, and now I'm going to light my little sugared snickerdoodle candle over here. It smells so good. And then we're going to head over next to the front door. We always have a huge mess right here of packages and shoes. Eventually I'd love to have a shelf inside this closet so we can put our shoes in there. But right now this closet is like a mixture of coats, and then also we have some like computer stuff stored at the bottom because when we made Annie Kate's room, or when we made the office Annie Kate's room, we put all of our computer stuff in here. So we've got to get that organized eventually. It's always a hot mess right there by the front door.
I'm good at jumping off here, Mom.
You are good at jumping off there. Okay, we're going to set up our new little tree that I told y'all I ordered last week. This is our little olive tree, so let's see what it looks like.
Yeah, it might be green.
Might be.
Mom, look.
Good job. I've purchased a couple of other olive trees in the past for this space, and I always end up returning them because they look dinky or not very full, and this is my favorite one that I've purchased so far. It looks so realistic, and I love the little pot that it comes in, and it was super affordable too, so I'll link it down below. But I love the way that this looks in this area. Our living room is slowly starting to shape up, at least in my head. We still have so much to do in here, but I'm finally figuring out how I want it to look. Thank y'all so much for stopping by today's video. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!